This is the worksheet I have given you last time in last period. We will solve it today. Choose the correct answer for each of the following questions. So what we have to do is, the blanks are given, even the options are given. We have to choose the correct one and have to write. The water from the blank is suitable for drinking. तो यहाँ पे कह रहे हैं कि ये 3 जो ऑप्शन है उसमें से किसी एक का पानी हम पी सकते हैं. तो सी, ओशन एंड वेल. Sea and ocean water is very salty, so we cannot drink, but well, it is the fresh water we can drink. So answer will be well. In the poem, water is called misfortune when. तो पोएम में जो मिसफॉर्च्यून कहा गया है वो कब होता है? तो जब रिवर बहती है तब. वाटर ब्रेक्स इन फ्लड्स एंड फील्ड्स ड्राई. तो दिस विल बी द रीजन, वाटर ब्रेक्स इन फ्लड्स. From which of the following you cannot drink water directly? Fields, well or lakes? So the answer will be wells, because we can drink water from wells and lakes. Fill in the blanks with correct answer. Misfortune falls when water breaks in. Yes, the answer will be flood. The water in the lakes and blank swell. Okay, so that answer will be spring. Water swells lake, rivers and yes, again it will be spring. Next, write true, T for true or F for false. We should keep water running while brushing our teeth. तो ये कह रहे हैं कि हमें अपना नल खुला रखना चाहिए जब हम ब्रश करते हैं. तो दैट इज टोटली फॉल्स, बिकॉज इट विल वेस्ट लॉट ऑफ वाटर. प्लांट नीड वाटर टू ग्रो. सो प्लांट को पानी चाहिए उसको ग्रो करने के लिए. तो इट इज ट्रू. वाटर इज नॉट नीडेड टू द फील्ड्स फॉर ग्रोइंग क्रॉप्स. वाटर फील्ड के लिए जरूरी नहीं है. तो दैट इज रॉन्ग, बिकॉज वी नो दैट क्रॉप्स नीडेड वाटर टू ग्रो. नेम एनी 3 forms of water. So they are ice, water and water vapor. Name any 2 rivers. There are many rivers in India. We can write any 2. I have written Tapi and Narmada. You can write your own also, no problem. What is the solid form of water? तो water का जो solid form है वो कौन सा है? तो that is ice. Fill the missing letters. Blank, W blank, double L S. So that is swells. F blank O blank D S. Floods. D blank O D blank U blank H. D O U G H. Dove. Match the following. Establish the relationship and match the following. Well, sea, lakes and streams, waterfalls. Fishes, floods, sing, drinking water. तो wells में कौन सा आएगा? We can drink water from the well. So 1D. Sea में हम fishes देखते हैं. तो fish, lakes and streams that can bring even the floods, and waterfalls that sing. Okay. Now answer the following question in detail. Is water important to you? Give reason. Of course, right? Water is very important to us. We can quench our thirst. We can grow the crops. Without water, we cannot do anything. Even it contains our 70% of our body weight. Okay. In blood, the water is present. Water is very precious. Alright, from the morning to end at the evening, we will need of water. We will go for bath, we will brushing, then we are cooking the food, then cleaning the house. For everything, almost, we need the water. So, water is very important to us. Find the odd one out and give the reason. Cycle, sheep, bus, train. Here, cycle, bus and train that runs on the road, but ship runs in the water, so it is odd. River, lake, stream, mountain. River, lake, stream, they all are water bodies, but mountain is not water body. Swimming, singing, bathing, washing. So these all processes needs water, but singing doesn't require water, so singing will be the odd one.